one never.
Hardly ever.
He's hardly ever sick at sea. Give 3 cheers and 1 chair more for the hopeless captain of the Pinafore. We give 3 cheers and 1 chair more for the captain of the Pinafore.
You are sad. The silent eloquence of yonder tear that trembles on your eyelash proclaims a sorrow far more deep than common. Confide in me. Fear not. I am alone.
Yes, Little Buttercup, I am sad and sorry. My only daughter, Josephine, is sought in marriage by Sir Joseph Porter, KCB. But for some reason, she doesn't seem to tackle kindly to it.
Oh, poor Sir Joseph. Oh, I know too well the anguish of a heart that loves but vainly. But see, here comes your most attractive daughter. I go. Farewell.
A plump and pleasing person.
Sorry her lot will last too well. Heavy the heart that hopes but vainly. Sad are the sighs that own the spell, uttered by eyes that speak too plainly. Sorry her lot will last too well. Heavy the heart that hopes but vainly. Heavy the sorrow that bows the head, when love is alive and hope is dead. When the heart is alive and hope is dead. Sad is the hour when sets the sun. Dark is the night to earth's poor daughters. When to the ark the wearied one flies from the empty waste of waters. Sad is the hour when